So, Deepseek released their new and best model named Deepseek v3.1. This model is not a variant of Deepseek R1, but rather a better version of Deepseek v3. The new Deepseek v3.11 is trained by the R1 reasoning model, making it perform better in reasoning tasks while being a general purpose non-reasoning model. So, what this new model brings to the table is that it is significantly better at front-end coding and mathematics over the original v3 version. The original v3 was already pretty great, and now we got an even better one, which is kind of insane. And the new v3.1 model is openly available on Hugging Face, and it is also available on their Deepseek platform. Here are some benchmarks of the new model. As you can see, it is pretty good at GPQA and MMLU, and it crushes Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which is the best coding model, GPT 4.5, Gwen Max, in Math 500, a math benchmark, Amy 2024, and Live Code Bench, which is a coding benchmark. It also shows significant improvements over the original v3 model. So in this video, I will show you how you can use this amazing model for free within VS Code as a coder. First up, open up VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, download it from their official website. Next, go to the Extensions tab and search for Klein. Install the extension. After you have downloaded and installed Klein, you can spot the Klein icon in the sidebar. Now open up your browser. Search for OpenRouter. Select the fist link, which should be openrouter.ai. Now from here, sign up for an account. After signing up, go to Keys and then create your API key. After that, go back to Versus Code and click the Klein icon from the sidebar. Now from the Settings tab, select OpenRouter as API provider and paste in your API key here. Now search for Deepseek v3.1 from the Models Selection section and choose Deepseek v3.1. You can select the free or the paid version. And now you're basically done. You can chat with Deepseek's latest and best model from here. You can build apps or websites via Deepseek, which is pretty cool. So, that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.